Hello everyone, this is Carla and welcome to the Blues City Stampin Studio, or as I shorten it to welcome to the studio. So I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located here in the Memphis, Tennessee area. I have been a demo since October of 2013 and in this video, I'm not going to be creating like any projects. I just wanted to come on and do more of an informational type of video for you. Now, I am going to say something like right up front. Okay, and know if if you're a content creator, you film videos or anything like that, you know that when the camera is rolling, that sometimes the brain and the mouth don't connect together, so sometimes things just may come out funny or weird, and then I would have to repeat myself. So I'm just going to say that up front because it typically does happen. So in this video, I just want to talk about a little bit what it is that I'm currently doing with my YouTube channel, what I'm going to be doing going forward, and some of the other things that I am doing with my Stampin' Up! Business, even in person. So I do have notes. So if you see me looking down from time to time, that's because I want to follow them and I don't want to miss anything. Okay, so currently on my YouTube channel, I have done videos for Throwback Thursdays, which I had done 3 projects in each of those videos, done them weekly using retired Stampin' Up! Product. Now, I have a lot of it. I am literally like looking right at all the retired product that I got. And shamefully, some of these stamp sets have never seen ink touch them. But hey, I've had people reach out thanking me for doing a Throwback Thursday using the retired product because now, they have more ideas if they happen to have it as well. I was also doing Step It Up Saturdays. Now that was just featuring current Stampin' Up! Product. Again, I was using current product for those videos, and again, 3 projects. I'm also doing a monthly Christmas card inspiration. So on the 1st of every month, I'm creating 2 simple duplicatable Christmas cards to kind of give you some inspiration if Christmas card making is something that you like to do every year. I have something regarding Christmas card making coming up. I also do a monthly paper pumpkin video. Now, whenever I get my paper pumpkin kits in, which is Stampin' Up! Subscription kit program, I will create one of each project that's in that kit. Now, these aren't alternative projects. These are just basically what's in the kit, and per the instructions in the kit, how to, put them together. I also do special holiday videos. See, I told you, I can't speak. So the special holiday videos that I do are 3 projects. It could be current, it could be retired product. It's just creating 3 projects for that particular holiday. So what's coming up on this YouTube channel? So the Step It Up Saturdays, okay? January 20th of 2024 was my last Step It Up Saturday video. And the reason why is because starting on January 26th, so this coming Friday, from the time I'm filming this, January 26th at 7 p.m., I will be going live here on YouTube. And in those videos, again, this is going to be every Friday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. In those videos, I'll be creating 3 projects using current product. Now, I will also be offering make and take projects. So basically it's the card kit. It's all the pre-cut cardstock, paper, embellishments that I have packaged up. And if you place a minimum order using the host code that I provide by a certain day, then I will send those make and take projects to you for free. Okay. There'll be more information about that. Actually, I'll add stuff in the description of this video to kind of cover all that. So YouTube, that's basically what I got planned and what I'm doing. Is there going to be any more? I don't know. The Throwback Thursdays, like I said, I was doing 3 cards, but I found that especially in December, between doing all those videos, I mean, yeah, they're pre-recorded, but there's a lot of work that goes into doing these videos. So first you got to figure out what you're going to use. Then you got to create and plan the project that you're going to create. And then you got to prep all the supplies and everything for the projects, for the video, along with all these other steps. And then there's filming, then there's editing. It's quite a few hours to do just one video. And so that's why I've cut back the number of projects from 3 to 2. It's made a huge difference. So that's what's new with basically Throwback Thursday, because the Christmas card one, I'm only creating 2 cards. And the holiday videos, because they're holidays and they're special, I'll continue with doing 3 for those. So that's it for YouTube at the moment, like I said. So now in person, now I'm going to start doing some in-person classes or in-person events. So one of the things that I'm going to do is called a monthly Christmas card club. Now, this is geared for those who are interested in creating their own Christmas cards. And the whole idea behind it is creating them, some throughout the year. So then come November, after you've created those, you have all your cards done. So then come like early December, all you have to do is write in your cards, address them, put postage on it, and mail them out. Because if you're like me, what happens, I don't buy cards, I make them. So what happens, you get so many things are going on throughout the year that you're not thinking about making Christmas cards. And then when it comes to that time, like November, so many things are going on, and either one, you end up buying the overpriced, sometimes they're not so nice, Christmas cards in the store, or you don't end up making them, which is pretty sad. So the whole idea, excuse me, I'm filming. So the whole idea with this is those that are local to me, we would gather on the first Saturday of every month, and this will start February 3rd. And we'll come together and we'll create the Christmas cards. Now, there's some details to it. So if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, I will have my email address in the description of this video. Please reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to send you all the info regarding that. Basically, anything that I'm talking about on here, if you want more details about it or anything else, just send me an email and let me know what it is that you would like, or what questions I can answer, and I'll be more than happy to go and answer them for you, okay? The other thing that I'm going to do is also a monthly class. So I'm going to be doing my first one on Saturday, February 10th. So all my in-person classes will always be on a Saturday because I do work a Monday through Friday job. So on February 10th, I will be holding a Be Mine Valentine class, and that will feature I'm going to pull out my catalog so you can see. It will feature this suite of products. So we got paper and embellishments, we got a stamp set, we got punches, and that will be my class on February 10th. If you are interested in that, I have information that I can send out about that. Now, for that class, there is a cost to it. It's $10 at the door, or it's free with a $20 purchase in my online store that would have to be placed by the end of that event. Basically, that fee is to cover the cost of replenishing, cardstock and paper and embellishments. Oh, and adhesive. Those people that are part of my Blues City Stampers team, my events are free for them. Just wanted to put that out there. And plus there's some other perks for those that are on my team, that I'll be doing throughout the year. Okay, so that's the classes and stuff that I'm doing that's coming up for February. So let me talk a little bit about what Stampin' Up! Is currently doing. So they are holding their biggest promotion of the year called Celebration. So Celebration means like free product. There's like lots of little perks to it. So this is our Celebration brochure. And in here, there are products that you can choose for free for every $50 to $100 purchases or orders, more or less, before tax and shipping. So in here, like I said, there's stamp sets, there's paper, there's embellishments, there's a whole assortment of things that are in here. Now, that's, like in the sales aspect of it. Now, if you individually, and there's no judgment here, or in a workshop, a class, or whatever that you want to host, there's extra host benefits too. So if your order or group order comes to $300 or more, you can choose an additional $30 in Stampin' Rewards. Also, then in the joining promotion, you have two options. So both of them cost $99 plus tax. Shipping is free. And option one, you get to choose the Glass Mat Studio. Now, I don't know how well I will be able to show this, but it's a big glass mat, and you have a little like silicone mat, and you got a little chamois that goes with it. So it's a $60 value that you can add to your starter kit for free. If the glass mat is not your thing or you don't need it, the other option is for the same price, you can choose an additional $30 in product. So actually you can choose $155 in product rather than $125. So if you are not currently working with a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and you need any of our current catalogs, I will be more than happy to send the catalogs out to you. So this is our current annual catalog. And again, this is our Celebration brochure. And then this is our current mini catalog. So again, if you're not working with another demonstrator, I would love to be your demonstrator of choice, and I'd be more than happy to send these catalogs out to you. Again, if any more additional information you may have or questions about what I have talked about, feel free to reach out to me at my email that will be included below. And if you would like to be added to my email list for my monthly newsletter, include information in that as well and let me know, and I will add you to my list. So until next time, everyone be blessed, be safe, and if you are dealing with some really cold weather, stay warm. So I'll see you later. Bye-bye.